Good morning. Right, let's get out and see what today is going to bring. Oh, good morning. Right, what are we going to do today? Oh, nah. Oh, it's snowing. Hey, put down. Oh, it did move. Right, so we're just going to go a wee walk just now. About 2 minutes ago, Nala just caught a mouse. How do we get out of here? You want to jump down? Jump. Watch out. Nah, you can't go back. Come on, the mouse doesn't want to play with you anymore. Let's go. Come on, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Beautiful. Let's go. You jump down, please. Jump down. It's okay. I've got you. You coming? Good girl. Good girl. How beautiful is this? I could see myself just setting up my tent here and living here forever. Good girl. Oh, she's awake. Clever girl. Good girl. Hope our tent's still there. Be a bit of a disaster if it wasn't. You coming? Meow. Meow. Good girl. Come on. Tent's still there. Come on. Please just sleep tonight. Nala. She'll come in her own time. She'll be hunting the mice again. So I think the plans this afternoon, just get in, get cosy, read a bit of my book maybe, watch a film, and it's meant to get really cold tonight, so let's do it. Here, what's this? Good girl. No, you're not getting the bag. Oh, beautiful. So again, finish this, straight to sleep. Good night. Good morning. Right, fingers crossed we got some snow last night. Let's go and have a peek. Come on, let's go. Okay. Woohoo! You going out first? -7 just now. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Look how white it is. Oh, look at that. In the tent, because it's covered in snow, it was dripping quite bad last night. I don't actually know how to get rid of that, but I'll need to Google it. Nala. Right, time to pack up the tent and go home. Here we are back at the lake, and what perfect way to finish off the video than to go for a wee swim. Oh, it's cold already. Right, let's get this off. Oh aye, that's real nice. Real nice. Gorgeous. Hope you're all good out there. Thanks for watching the video. Stay safe. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Hey, princess. Hello, princess. Yes.